hating, I'ma get their ass a whip, like back in '04. Big boss man, he the king of the city. Everywhere we go, we keep a flick that's pretty. I ain't gotta tell you. Like Future with the spring. Down in H-Town, we been living that life. 35 years old and the boss still getting it. Like back in '04, I'm still tipping. Fuck all them fuck niggas stay talking about me. Who the hell would you be if you was without me? Only way you are who you are is cause you copy.